Good morning everybody, how are you all doing today? I've got my coffee in my new cup and I hope it's good for you. Today it's lovely and sunny. We've been out for a walk and yeah, a nice breezy refreshing walk for us to start the day off. And for those that are new here, my name is Linda and this is my nookery where I do all my knitting and crocheting and do my podcasts and giveaways and anything else that I can think that will that I'm sure that you will enjoy. So today is the day that I pick the winner of the sock yarn giveaway for March. And the word was nature. And thank you so much to all of those who have taken part. To all of you new subscribers as well, welcome and thank you for joining my YouTube family. I hope you enjoy my content and share me out with your friends. So I'll just quickly show you what the giveaway was for this month. Excuse me. So you get a little container of 10 light bulb stitch markers. I use them all the time when I'm making my socks. You've got 100 grams of head over heels style craft walking in nature socks. This is Promenade and it is a 75% superwash wool and 25% polyamide and 396 meters for 133 yards, so you'll get a good pair of socks out of them. And of course, as always, Knit Pro Zing 9-inch 25 centimeter 2.5 millimeter knitting needle, circular needle, circular needle. So without further ado guys, let's take you over to the computer. I've set it all up and let's go and pick our winner, shall we? So good luck everybody. Okay, so this is the video I've copied and I'm just going to go across. Oh, for goodness sake, why do they always have to do this? Don't want to do that either, thank you very much. Right, so let's put the link in and include replies to comments, filter duplicate users, and the word was nature. I hope you can see that. And then solve the puzzle. And let's see how many people commented, guys. 123 put the word nature. Thank you everyone. So without further ado, let's pick the winner and good luck everyone. Dee Dee O'Donnell, love the yarny goodness, thank you for the lovely giveaway. Nature is a wonderful and wise thing. Yes, it sure is. So I'm just going to stop the video here. I'm just going to check that Dee Dee is a subscriber. As you can see, she is a subscriber. So congratulations Dee Dee O'Donnell. What I need from you is to email me at this address, your postal address, and I will get your prize sent off to you. And you have, today is the 24th, so I need to, you've got until the 31st of March to contact me and to claim your prize. And before I go guys, I want to say I never ever reply to your comments on giveaways, on prizes. There's lots of scams going out there saying that, you know, a telegram and all this, that you've won a prize, to email me or blah blah blah. Do not do anything. I never ever, all I do is if you make a comment on the giveaway on the giveaway and the winning and the winners video, all I do is heart them, guys. I don't do anything else unless you ask me a question, and then then and only then will I reply to you. All my other videos, yes, I do say thank you and whatever, but on my, especially on my giveaways, I never ever reply. I only ever give anybody a heart. So please be careful, guys. Please be careful when you're taking part in giveaways. Report them, and I do my best to report them as well. So be safe out there, guys. Be really safe. The scammers are at it again, so please be careful. And I thank you all so very much for taking part of my giveaways. As you all know, they are always worldwide. And once again, congratulations, Dee Dee. Don't forget to email me your postal address so I can get your prize off to you. And there's something else I've got. And don't forget, I will have a giveaway, sock yarn giveaway and a yarn giveaway next month. So take care, everybody. Stay safe, but more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye bye for now.